Oracle Database 23 Features and Benefits. Oracle Database is a popular and widely used relational database management system, RDBMS, that is used by organizations of all sizes to store, manage, and retrieve large volumes of data. Oracle Database 23 is the latest version of this software, which was released in 2022. In this article, we will take a closer look at Oracle Database 23 and the new features and benefits it offers. Autonomous Database. One of the biggest new features of Oracle Database 23 is the Autonomous Database, which is a cloud-based database service that uses machine learning algorithms to manage and optimize the database automatically. This means that the database can automatically perform routine maintenance tasks, optimize performance, and even troubleshoot issues without human intervention. This frees up IT staff to focus on more strategic tasks, and also ensures that the database is always running at peak performance. Machine learning. Oracle Database 23 also includes a number of new machine learning features that can help organizations analyze large amounts of data more effectively. For example, the software includes built-in algorithms for clustering, classification, and regression, which can be used to identify patterns and make predictions based on data. Additionally, the software can automatically detect anomalies and outliers in the data, which can be useful for identifying potential security threats or other issues. Improved security. Security is always a major concern for any database, and Oracle Database 23 includes several new features designed to improve data security. For example, the software includes built-in data encryption, which can be used to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access. Additionally, the software includes new security features that can help protect against SQL injection attacks and other common security threats. Improved performance. Oracle Database 23 also includes several new performance improvements, which can help organizations process and analyze data more quickly. For example, the software includes new features for in-memory processing, which can help speed up data access and analysis. Additionally, the software includes improved support for multi-threading, which can help organizations process multiple queries and transactions simultaneously. Improved cloud integration. As more organizations move their data to the cloud, it's important for database software to be able to integrate seamlessly with cloud environments. Oracle Database 23 includes several new features designed to improve cloud integration, such as support for Kubernetes, which is an open-source container orchestration system. This can help organizations deploy and manage their database more easily in cloud environments. Database sharding. Another new feature of Oracle Database 23 is database sharding, which is a technique for partitioning data across multiple servers. This can help improve performance and scalability, particularly for large databases with high volumes of data. Additionally, the software includes new features for managing and monitoring sharded databases, which can help organizations ensure that their data is always available and secure. Benefits of Oracle Database 23. So what are the benefits of using Oracle Database 23? Here are a few key advantages. Improved efficiency. With its automatic management features and improved performance, Oracle Database 23 can help organizations process and analyze data more quickly and efficiently. This can help improve productivity and reduce the time and resources required to manage the database. Improved security. With built-in data encryption and improved security features, Oracle Database 23 can help organizations protect their data from unauthorized access and other security threats. This can help reduce the risk of data breaches and other security incidents. Improved scalability. With support for database sharding and other performance improvements, Oracle Database 23 can help organizations scale their databases more easily as their data volumes grow. This can help ensure that the database can meet the needs of the organization both now and in the future.